Yes, real estate agents, I'm talking to you. Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group. Remember, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. What is your broker doing for you? What does your broker do for you? Well, Gary, they hit my credit card every month for their fee. And sometimes when the broker's here, maybe he'll answer a question if I can find them, or maybe I can leave a voicemail and they'll call me in 2 weeks. No, that should not be the situation. We're looking for ambitious real estate agents that are looking to make between $75,000 and $150,000 a year, and we're looking for those that like to do certain parts of the job. We're not going to ask you to do everything. We're going to provide you not with a bunch of leads, chase down a bunch of leads that you're going to spend all your day on the phone and never reach anybody. You're not going to do any door knocking. You're not going to do any cold calling. We have our system for our agents where we actually provide you with appointments. We're going to provide you with appointments. We're going to train you in our system. You're going to be using our presentations. We're going to help you be successful. If you're in the West Houston area, within the sound of my voice, give us a call or go to our website, GaryHasTheAppointments.com. www.GaryHasTheAppointments.com. Go check it out. Look at our system. If you're looking for a change and you're tired of the rat race and you're tired of brokers not giving you any support other than hitting your credit card every month for their fee, you want appointments? We'll put you on appointments. Give us a call, Gary Evans, 832-721-0442. Remember, we're looking for ambitious agents that want to make a difference in people's lives. That's what we do. We don't just sell homes, we change lives. Go to GaryHasTheAppointments.com to figure out how it all works out. Take a look at it. Give me a call. Love to talk with you. And we're going to be talking with all of you folks again real soon.